Hello friends, I am Kunna from Kunna's Origin. Now I am going to tell you something about the triangles, some proof. In the last videos I have given two proofs. Now the third one, another one. But before that I want to tell you that go through the videos, and this is needed for all the classes from 6 to 10. It may whoever may be from CBSE or from ICSE. In both cases, you need these proofs. Go through these videos. You can learn much more from these videos, and you can try to understand these videos. Then you can do your exercises from your prescribed books easily. Very soon I am going to release the videos of NCERT problems. Very soon I am going to release the videos of NCERT problems of this chapter, triangles. So all of you view the channel, view the videos, and give your subscriptions, and share the videos as much as you can. Share the videos as much as you can. Your subscription is necessary and your sharing is necessary. That will make the videos much more powerful, much more beautiful, and much more you can gain much more and more from these videos, which will encourage me to give you the improvised videos, and through the videos you can understand more and more. So always never forget to subscribe the channel. Never forget to subscribe the channel. All the videos are from Kunna's Horizons. Kunna's Horizons, an educational channel. An educational channel giving education to the children, to the students from class 6 to class 10. Geometry. Now I am giving you one proof for geometry, triangle. The chapter is triangle. The intersecting point the angle made by the bisectors of the base angle of a triangle is equal to 90 plus half of the vertex angle. So see here, now this one I am going to prove. The first one, you make a triangle like this way, A, B and C. A, B and C. A, B and C. So it has told that the angle made by the bisectors of the base angle. That means this is O, and these are the bisectors. BO and CO are the bisectors of ABC and ACB respectively. So what is given here? Given is ABC is a triangle, OB and OC are the two bisectors of the base angle ABC and ACB. ACB. Two angles ABC and ACB. So the angle made by the bisectors, angle made by the bisectors, made by the bisectors is equal to BOC, and the vertex angle of the triangle is BAC. The vertex angle of the triangle is BAC. Now required to prove RTP is equal to angle BOC is equal to 90 plus A by 2. 90 plus half of the vertex angle means A by 2. Now see here how I am doing the proof. Go through this, understand nicely. I am teaching you step by step. See here angle BOC is equal to angle OBA. OBC, angle OBC is equal to angle OBA. OBC is equal to angle OBA, because OB is the bisector. OB is the bisector. OB is the bisector of angle ABC. It is given. ABC. It is given. So this angle is equal to this one. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now next one. Here it means that angle OBC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now see here, again I am writing here OCA, OCB, angle OCB is equal to angle OCA. That means angle OCB is equal to, if B 3 and this one is equal to 4, then angle 3 OCB, that means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It is because it is OC is the bisector of ACB. ACB, and this is given. So that means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now I have to see here what is given here in the triangle. In the triangles ABC and OBC. What happens? Angle ABC is plus angle ACB plus angle BACB plus angle BAC is equal to OBC angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC. interior angle, sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degree of a triangle. So this is the reason. So these two are equal. That means again I am telling you this OBC is equal to OBA. That means ABC is equal plus ACB plus BAC is equal to OCB plus OBC plus BOC. Now in case of ABCC here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and this angle is bisected. That means I can write in place of ABC 2 OBC. ABC is equal to 2 OBC. ABC is equal to 2 OBC because OBC is equal to OBA. So, and this OB is the bisector. So, ABC is equal to 2 OBC. I will write here 2 OBC. Similarly, in case of ACB, OC is the bisector. So, OCB is equal to OCA. So, I can write here ACB is equal to 2 OCB because this is the bisector. OC is the bisector. Here OC is the bisector and here OB is the bisector. So this full angle is half of this one. So this in case of ACB I can write here 2 plus 2 OCB plus BAC is equal to OCB plus OBC plus BOC. These are the angles. So this is equal to this one. 2 OBC is plus 2 OCB is equal to this one. So see here what happens here. Now BAC, I will take this OBC to this side. That will be minus 2 OBC is equal. Then 2 OCB to the other side. Then minus 2 OCB. Then this one as usual plus OCB plus OBC plus BOC. So see here, these all are the angles. Now see here, I am rubbing this one as there is no place. So see here, now see here, BAC is equal to minus 2 OBC minus plus 1 OBC. That is minus OBC. Angle minus OBC. Then similarly 2 OCB minus OCB. So this will be minus OCB. Minus OCB. Then plus BOC. This is. So again see here, this one minus 2 OBC minus 2 minus 1 OBC, that is equal to minus OBC plus minus 2 OCB minus OCB. So this will become minus OCB. So see here, now here I can write angle BAC is equal to minus, I will take common, so this will be OBC plus OCB plus OCB. I have taken minus plus BOC as usual. BOC as usual. Now see here, I have written here OBC plus OCB plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. So see here, for example, I am doing here OBC plus OCB plus OBC plus OCB plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree, because interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, OBC plus OCB plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, OBC plus OCB is equal to 180 minus BOC. 180 minus this I have taken to the other side. This I have taken to the other side, BOC. Now I will put this value in the place of this one. That means BAC, angle BAC is equal to minus 180 minus BOC plus BOC. Now open the bracket. Angle BOC. These are all angles. Angle BOC. Now open the bracket. Minus 180 degree. Minus into minus plus BOC plus BOC. So this is equal to 2 BOC, 2 angle BOC plus minus 180 degree. 2 minus so BAC is equal to so see here, now this one is angle BAC plus 180 degree is equal to BOC. So see here, now 2 BOC. So BOC is equal to angle BAC plus 180 degree by 2 is equal to BOC. So BOC is equal to BAC by 2 plus 180 by 2. So this is equal to 90 plus angle BAA by 2. So this is the proof. So see here, angle BOC, the angle made by the bisectors is equal to 90 plus half of the vertex angle of the triangle. Half of the vertex angle of the triangle. So this is the proof. So that you can understand this one. This is a important theorem. The angle made by the bisectors of the base angle of the triangle is equal to 90 plus half of the vertex angle. So this is the proof. You can understand. If you will go through the video, you can understand nicely, and you can, and if you have any doubts, put the doubts in the comments. I will surely react to you, but I am sure if you will go stepwise, then you can understand this one, and this is an important proof. So go through it and try to understand. But before that, view the video from the starting till the last, then only you can understand. And after that, share the videos as much as you can among your friends, among your family members, among your groups, and then subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel so that you can get more improved videos and more particular videos, so that you can understand and learn more and more. But before that, again I am telling you, never forget to subscribe the channel. Your subscription makes the channel powerful. Your shares and videos makes the video much more in an organized way, and you can understand more and more. So always leave your comments in the comment box so that I can react to your comments and improve my videos. Thank you.